trying to look at the back here, like, if I can, like, turn this into a little office, like, not rearrange anything, just, like, have a little space where I can work, like, have, like, a little chair or something. I just, like, work here or some shit, like, work on my scripts and stuff, like, I like that. Sounds, pretty cool. I doubt it would happen, but, you know, it's pretty cool in here. Like, I do a lot of shit in here. Yeah, I love this place. It's basically my childhood. This is my childhood. This fucking garage, man. You know, it'd just be a nice place for me to work, you know? Like, probably in here or something. I have a clear all this off, clear all this dust and shit. Just clean it out, and then I can have my shit, and I can start writing. And Mike said, he might give me his typewriter. Maybe I can, like, bring it here and do some typewriting, you know? That's some shit I want to try out, but yeah, fuck it. What? It's broken. Yeah. The mower. I think that is. Pretty much, yeah.
Somewhere just a copper. Somewhere just to pour it in. What's that thing here? What was that? There's oils in it. Let door open anymore. No in it.
No, hey? No, it's in it yet.
No?
No.
Nothing on it, is it?
No.
Hey?
No, it's in it.
There is, something bottom. Tubes are sucking out. Right, where's top? Put top like them. Go on, just pull one of them and just pull them the engine. Which one pulls the engine, Joe? Go on, we'll pull the engine. Just pull the engine. Yeah. There. Pull it.
Yeah, I'll pull it. Sorry.
Go on, that's it. Right, now which one? Go on, which? You've got to do a brake, haven't you?
Yeah.
Put what's that in you? Get rid of that bit. Put that aside. You've got two hands.
Today's a nice day. A canvas bag, filled it with some sand. Do some iron bone training. Put your arms like that. It's a way of making the knuckles stronger. Yeah, it's part of Wing Chun, but yeah, it's pretty dirty, man. Holy shit, this bag's dirty. Just rusted a bit there. I should not have left this here, because it was a nice bag, but I think I fucked it up. But fuck it. Yeah, basically made myself a motherfucking desk. It's just a fucking plank under a chair, and that's a seat. That's a cushion seat. Oh, it's so comfy. It's so first class. So first class. But yeah, hopefully I can come here, probably work on that, and just the fucking in my head. Yeah, I like when the sun comes through here, you know. So it gives me a bit of a leeway. I can move it wherever I want. Do some workout. Go sort the fucking Wing Chun back, and you know, set for life, bitches. There's just a dog walking around when that massive fucking razor blades are going about. Oh, what up, guys? This is Swinny trying to think what's happening. At the moment, today is official. I'm going to start writing the script. It's my first time writing a script. I've never done it before, which is pretty scary. But got all I need here: some papers, some books and stuff. You know, writing paper, some pens. I got all my stuff in here, and you know, start working on the script. So yeah, hope it goes good. And that's part one. Well, let's say that's phase one, and phase two is gonna be getting equipment, getting props, and just starting shit. You know, possibly like I'll get that wall there. I'll just put on like, I don't know. I just put you know, the project like in like a spider diagram, and I'll put like, you know, other notes that connect to it. You know, that's what I'm thinking at the moment. But yeah, and at the moment I just feel so bad at the moment because I feel so ill and my jaw fucking hurts because I know it's got like a swelling on my jaw. It hurts my teeth and shit. But yeah. Subscribe to Matt Nick, subscribe to Micah Mush, great channels, great people. And yeah, I'd like to say one thing. I've deleted my, I think it was the Sweet Tonkers video, because I did feel kind of bad doing it, because it wasn't really me, but yeah, I was just in a bad mood making that video. I apologise to Sweet Tonkers, because I didn't know that I had that problem. cerebral palsy. I apologise about that. I didn't know you had that, mate. But yeah, I got you 5 subs though. So yeah, supposed to be like an uplifting video, you know, because I'm gonna start working on my script. But no, I'm just not in an uplifting mood at the moment, you know. Like, I'm so ill. I feel so fucking bad, but I don't know. It's just my fucking jaw. It's like in so much pain. It's like I've just been taking ibuprofen for the last fucking not week, but just a couple of days. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna start working on the script. Just working on here. Possibly get some ideas off the internet. Like when you make a script, you gotta think like really fucking. You gotta have a good imagination. That's all I gotta say. And it's basically like writing a novel. That's basically what it's like. But you gotta put in each accent, like what happens in the scene, how it starts, how it ends. You know, it gets complicated, but yeah. Hopefully it goes good. And I'll pull over stuff like, I was thinking like maybe I can write a thing about dialogue, like writing individual dialogue with the different characters, props, equipment I can put on the wall, like what I need, what we need for the props, the equipment, what equipment like cameras, effects, you know, like Adobe Photoshop, Windows Movie Maker, those type of stuff. Type of special effects we'll be using, what practical effects we'll need. You know, just putting everything into perspective, because like when you don't plan anything out and you just go balls in, it's crazy. Like you'll end up failing. Like you don't know what you're doing. So yeah, it's best to plan everything out. So that's what I'm gonna do at the moment. And there's also something else I gotta do, because at the moment I'm unemployed. You know, I don't have a job. It's a bit of a problem. Yeah, and my parents keep saying I gotta get a job, I gotta get out. I don't want to end up being like those people, just being inside all day, having nothing to do. You know, parents doing everything for them. And the thing with me is that I left college. I think it was 2 months ago. No, about 3 months ago. Yeah, I left college because I wasn't enjoying it. I wasn't having a nice time. That was one of my problems. But beyond that, I'm still confident that I'll find something. You know, if you keep up that confidence and you keep up that, you know, will to keep going, you will find something. I believe. You know, it's got nothing to do with education. It's got nothing to do with, you know, just what you've learned through school and what you've learned through college. I feel like it's got something to do with your unwilling desire to just keep trying at it, and eventually you'll end up doing it. But yeah, it's like what Michael said. I can't quote it, but it's when he said it's like when you're trying to do something, you're trying to succeed doing it, but there's that massive unknown thing that you might not succeed with it. You know, that got me thinking. But yeah, it's just the problems got at the moment. You know, I'm pretty much fucked when it comes to money, when it comes to actual shit. So that's why I rely on Matty quite a lot, because Matty has a lot of equipment. Matty might be getting a job. Yeah, but it's up to me to nail down, try and do something, you know, try and find a job. And it's going to be hard work. But yeah, life isn't about sitting down and being lazy. It's about trying. So yeah, keep trying, guys. Keep trying, everyone who watches. You know, if you're a troll, if you're somebody that hates my videos, keep trying to hate them, you know, because it just motivates me. But yeah, love you guys. See you later. Bye.